So A equal to NumPy dot range arrange 24. So reshape. So 4 into 6. So now I convert it into so two-dimensional matrix. So two-dimensional matrix. Okay. Now once your data is generated, okay, once data is generated, you will check. So what is that? How many dimensional and two-dimensional. So shape is there one attribute. Okay, one attribute. Okay. So previously we have one dimensional, so it shows the number of elements. Now we have a two dimensional and the shape attribute, it written the number of rows and number of columns. Okay. So the shape method, it is very important, this attribute. So this attribute written the output, number of columns, number of rows. So number of rows and number of columns, it written the attribute. Suppose in case one dimension is available, that time you use the shape attribute, it written as a total number of elements. So very very important. So now I write. So b equal to b equal to numpy dot arrange arrange. So 24. So I taken the values. Only it is a one two dimensional. So it is only so one dimension. It is only one dimensional I taken. So it is one dimensional. So now you use the shape attribute. So it is a one dimensional. It show the so number of elements. So keep and remember. So it written as a number of elements. Okay, it is 24. Okay, you have a two dimensional. It show the two dimensional. It show the so it show the so number of rows and number of columns. That is a difference. So we have a single dimension. It written the number of elements. So we have a two dimensional or three dimensional. It show the number of elements and number of rows, number of columns, number of matrix. So this is a three dimensional. This is a three dimensional. The first four is the number of matrix. So this first four is the number of matrix, number of rows, number of columns. So how to define the three dimensional means first one is the number of matrix, second one is the third one is the third one is the number of rows, and the last one is number of columns. Number of matrix, number of rows, number of columns. Number ora. Now I have a two dimensional, I have B one dimensional, I have C three dimensional. We have three possibilities. Okay. So I have one dimension, I have a two dimensional, so I have a so one dimensional, I have a three dimensional. So three dimensional also you can check with shape attribute. So shape, it show the number of matrix, number of rows, number of columns. Okay. Only whenever we have one dimension only, shape method, shape attribute written the number of elements only. Okay, single dimension. So A dot, so capital T. So capital T means transpose. So capital T means transpose. Okay, it is converted rows, columns, rows. Rows, columns become a rows, opposite direction. So capital T is a transpose. Okay. Otherwise, you can use the transpose method also. It will change. It will change. So you can use capital T or transpose method. Next is dot. So whenever you use one numeric value in dot method purpose, so you can use any one like 5, 10 means. So you enter any value, so it is multiplied by each and every element inside of the matrix. So now I
Sir,
use.
again transpose of transpose again dot there.
So we have two methods transpose. One is a capital T and other was transpose method.
Okay, sir. Again transpose of transpose.
No, what? Capital T is a transpose method.
Okay.
It is
A
a,
dot again dot T
సో ఇక్కడ క్యాపిటల్ టీ ఉంది కదా, దీన్ని ఏమో అట్రిబ్యూట్ అంటారు.
again A వస్తుందా?
అట్రిబ్యూట్ వస్తుంది.
I mean A dot capital T పెట్టాం కదా సార్.
ఇట్ ఈస్
Again dot capital T పెడితే again A వస్తుందా అంటున్నా. అంటే transpose of transpose.
ఇక్కడ ఇలా రాయమంటావా? వస్తుంది. నువ్వేమవుతావు, ఈ అవుట్పుట్కి మళ్ళీ టీ అట్రిబ్యూట్ అప్లై చేయమంటున్నావు కదా.
Again A కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది కదా.
అవును, బ్యాక్ వస్తుంది కదా. నువ్వు టూ టైమ్స్
Okay.
అడుగుతున్నావు, ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ టూ టైమ్స్ అడుగుతున్నావు.
ఓకే సార్.
ఉమ్,
ఫస్ట్ ఏ డాట్ లో ఒక ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేసాం,
ఉమ్.
కానీ ఏ డాట్ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ లో కూడా మనకు సేమ్ అవుట్పుట్ వచ్చింది సార్.
అవును, ఫస్ట్ నువ్వు చూసుకోవాల్సింది అక్కడ ఏ చూసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, సో ఇట్ ఈస్ యూ చెక్ ఓన్లీ ఏ. So A means this is a permanent. After I apply capital T or transpose to any method you can apply. So he is asking again. So after that, what after output converted, then apply with again transpose. Transpose A dot method. So you write something 5. So you can write something 5. That 5 is multiplied by the each and every element. Each and every element. నిఖిల ఈరోజు 4G రాలేదా? రాలేదు కదా?
వచ్చేసి
వచ్చింది. సుమజిత్, సతీష్, సాయి పల్లవి, రవిచంద్రన్, కామాక్షి, ఎస్ రాజు, కె రాఘవేంద్ర గారు, సురేష్. ఎస్ రంగనాథ్ ఎవరు? ఓకే. ఫ్రైడే క్లాస్ జరిగిಲ್ಲ మీకు? సో మీరు రాసిందిలో ఇంకేమైనా నేను ఇచ్చాను కదా లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ 29 మెథడ్స్ ఇచ్చాను. ఇంకేమైనా మిస్ అయినా చూడండి, చెప్పండి పోతే.
ఈవెస్ సార్ ఉంటాయి. లైక్ మీరు మిడ్ యావరేజ్ సార్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్
మ్యాట్రిక్స్ చెప్పలేదు, ఇంకా మీన మీ అవేగా. సో మీను
సార్ ఒక డాట్ వన్
డాట్ ఇక్కడ. సో నువ్వు ఏదైతే వాల్యూ ఇస్తావో ఆ వాల్యూ వచ్చేసి అక్కడ ప్రతి ఒక్క ఎలిమెంట్తో మల్టిప్లై అవుతుంది. 10 ఇచ్చినా మల్టిప్లై అవుతుంది. సో 20 ఇచ్చినా మల్టిప్లై అవుతుంది. ఏ వాల్యూ ఇచ్చింది గివెన్ వాల్యూ మల్టిప్లై బై ఈచ్ ఎలిమెంట్. చెప్పలేదా? సో మ్యాథ్స్, సమ్ము, స్టాండర్డ్ డివియేషన్, ఓకే, వేరియన్స్. So these are all coming again with ML. So variance. So the average method available in NumPy. Okay. So average variance, variance to standard deviation. STD means standard deviation variance. Statistics. Mean, min, max, sum, standard deviation variance. Okay. Average. So flip color. So left to right. So left to right ante, so it means so this left entire this row, sorry, entire row means sorry, entire column. This column is moving to right side. 0, 6, 12, 18 moving to last. 5, 11, 17, 18. This column is moving to like this one. So So right side column move into left side, left side column is the move into right side. So it is only even numbers, no problem. In case odd means, so the middle one is same. Okay. Same left to right, and the next one is the last LR up and down. UD up and down. Okay. Downside and downside all are going to up. Up means all are coming to down. So next one is a matrix method. You can write first. You can write first syntax or second syntax, third syntax. You can write any one. So NumPy always will get the output previous all are array. Previous all are array. Okay, all are array. So next whenever you use the matrix, then only it coming the mat function. Then only it coming the output is matrix. That is only difference in NumPy. Only two ways output. One is always array. So whenever you use the mat function, then only the output is matrix. method is a dot all to a dot any. So both are coming true. What is the difference all and any means? So now I have C dot all false, C dot any. Now here one is a false, one is a true. So in A, so all, both are true. What is the difference between any and all means? So the matrix have a zero, will get the false. So the matrix have a zero, the all method checking, so you will get the zero, false. Now you check. C dot all means it checking the zero is available particular matrix. Yes, it is available. That's why it is false. So the any means only it checking n is available or not. Okay, any means only n is available or not. So it is zero also there. No, it is one value now. So that's why it will become it is written as a true. So any doubts, NumPy?
ఎన్ని అనేది ఉంటుందా వేరేలో ఎన్ని
ఎన్ డేటా సెట్లో ఉంటుంది ఎన్ఏ అనేది డేటా సెట్.
సార్ ఒకసారి షార్ట్‌గా స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి చెప్తారా సార్? జస్ట్ క్లిప్స్.
NumPy మొత్తం
మొత్తం అని చెప్పేది. సో మీరు అడిగింది ఈరోజు క్లాసా లేకపోతే NumPy మొత్తమా?
ఈరోజు క్లాస్.
ఓకే. So I take a two-dimensional matrix here. So you can write a single line. Okay. A equal to rearrange. Rearrange means so it start with zero onwards up to 24 elements. Okay. So that reshape. Reshape means whenever you use directly we can use. So it is converted to two-dimensional. Okay. So two-dimensional. So I asking number of rows and number of columns. So four rows and six columns. So that dimension means so two dimensional or three dimensional it is checking. Okay, so it is a two dimensional means number of rows columns available. That's why I written the number of dimensional. The shape means shape is attribute. It always written the number of rows and number of columns. So the next then same shape method we have a one dimensional array. So p dot shape. So that time how many elements available total? Okay, 24 only. It's not showing number of rows and number of column. Okay. After that I converted to so again reshape I am using converted to three dimensional. So first one is the first four is the number of matrix. First four is the number of matrix. So number of rows, number of columns. Okay. Same thing. Reshape means number of rows, number of columns, number of matrix. So capital T it is attribute and transpose is a method. Okay, you can use any one. So A dot T capital T it is rows become a columns, columns become a rows. Otherwise you can use the method. So the dot method. So use the one number. So any number you can. So that number is multiply each and every elements of inside of the array. So mean means average and min means minimum value and max is a maximum. So max value, sum means total value sum, and standard deviation, average. So variance and average. Next is a clip bar. Clip bar means so left to right means, that is clip means you can exchange it. Left to right means this left values all are coming to this left to right, right value left, left value coming here, right value is coming here. Exchange means like this. Up and down, same scenario, up and down. So so bottom one is up and up one is down. So swapping. Otherwise you can use with the matrix. Entire numpy we have two outputs only, one is the array, other one is the matrix. So if you not use the mat, always output is in a array. So if you use the mat, the output is given by matrix. So on all and any, so all means, so one matrix or data set, any data set we have zero also, it is become a, so true. Okay, sorry, false. Now I checking with a doesn't have a null value, so that's why it's become a true. So the any means we have zero also true always. Okay, only a NA there. NA means not applicable available. Then only it is written the false. So all means we have zero, it written the false. Now C matrix have a zero available. That's why it written the false. The any zero available, it written the true. Only NA available, it written the false.